My name's Clay Rein, and I'm the sales manager here at Millwork Sales in Orlando. Day to day is pretty unpredictable. Just multiple calls from our outside staff and our inside staff, working through issues, price competitive situations, just kind of navigating through the day with them so they can sell our products more effectively. We're unique in our marketplace just because of our long-standing relationships that we have with our customers. The majority of our employees have been here for multiple years. Those long-standing relationships are with individuals on the inside desk or the outside reps. We've been working really hard to maintain those. I think we've done a pretty good job with that. There's really no set script. It just kind of flows as the outside guys calling, asking for competitive pricing on certain things and guidance on how to sell plethora of products that we have most competitively. Millwork, which consists of doors, trim, stair parts, door components, some hardware. That's kind of in a nutshell, that's what we do. We're a small, more family-oriented business. A lot of the people here have been here, close to as long as I've been. So, there's multiple people here that have been here longer than the 23 years I've been here, and there's people that have been here for, 10 plus years. So we're able to retain and keep people happy with their jobs. Customers, great to work with, great people. We've had long-standing relationships with a majority of them. Those relationships have been long-standing just because of our ability to adapt to their needs and to offer competitive pricing and just knowledge how to best apply the products we sell in the market. They supply, in our market, they supply the retail lumber yards, who in turn supply your contractors and home builders. Just because our knowledge of the product that we sell, our support through what we have here and then also through our vendors, our suppliers, can help them navigate any issues they have in the field with the products that they're buying from us if those issues arise. Just from a relational standpoint, we really go the extra mile, try to make them happy and make their customer as happy as can be with what they're buying. Customer oriented, friendly, and knowledgeable.